Lo songa le loia. Matai neto. Ole decision kau fai longo. Ta umai ngai mo kongi la au ngai me.
Because okay, comparing, this is a case of century in the case of the history of the country since we became independent. Okay, comparing the case ngai. Look at the micro decision if I le kung singo leo. Amale melesa kupuya Hitler. All the dictators. Wala wingola kala. Inga ua kuku ia lukenga, the lieutenants makanaka lima serving the interest Hitler ma. They can be saved from the harsh penalties of the law. Wala kala ro solo kamalo. We were acting under instructions of so and so and so and so. Ya ke aula. E mafaya inga o masifi. Ai amo umal kanaka ni mafaya fakunga le. Whoever that person is, means ka por
ya ke kiva ke
mangkua mai. Mengi yo aku. Aonginga you're in a position of power, be like Hitler. When you're not doing what the leader asks you to do, e mafai onga mo liaoi, you are not following a lawful instructions. It may be like lawful but at the same time, include I am interested. Information Ola ko fulanga kauma ka kala e mafai o mafaonga le admissions alongo maleo ia mafai mo mau faunga yere pu fa fengo fi de pelo don polingi ele ko e afa pelo fa pe man. This is the email from my minister. This is the instructions from the prime minister. Ole mafu anganga la inga mako fa war case ngai e pesi no o fam kalanga e fabricate. Ya onga by learn information. Okay, you act under instructions from the top. Like kikira lo muriama ai la fasanga lo la kula fungo ka kalinga fele le oro
Altei Jauni